Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl, ARIE, and welcome back to my channel. Right now, don't mind my move, don't mind my room right now, guys. I'm cleaning it up, you know, cause your girl been on the move since my birthday, so, and I've been working, so I'm cleaning my room. Like, don't watch all that. But right now, I'm coming back. Okay, I do have enough time on here. I'm coming back to review. No, I'm not reviewing. I'm coming back with another hair package, y'all. A hair review video, y'all. I'm so sorry. I know I keep blessing you guys with all these videos, but it's good because I'm putting you guys on to all the good hair, you feel me? And I wouldn't lie about hair, honestly. This hair I'm not going to tell you guys about because, honestly, it's not that serious. But, guys, I am back with, I don't know why I thought it was something else in the package. I am back with Mslula virgin hair. And as you can see, this box is different from any other hair box that I've got from any hair company. And why? And that is because this is my first wig, guys. Well, it's not my first wig, but this is going to be my first wig that I didn't have to make. Like, I'm finally getting from a company. And already, I'm already loving the packaging. Like, already, I'm loving the box. I'm going to keep the box. I usually don't keep the box. I'm keeping that box. That box is fire. I've never got rods, flexi rods. I've never got flexi rods from a company, so that's another plus. I'm jacking this. I got tired of getting all them little eyelashes that I don't even wear. If you guys want those. Yo, okay, maybe this, yeah, this is my first wig because I didn't know they send you flexi rods. I need to actually learn how to use these. If you guys know, that's why I always get burnt because I don't know how to use flexi rods. And they send you a cap, y'all. I don't gotta go to the beauty supply store looking for no cap. They sent me a cap already. And they sent me 2 at that. Okay, Mslula. Y'all got me sold already. Then they send, oh shoot, they even send me hairpins. You know what style I can do with these hairpins on this hair? Hold on, I'll be back. I'm back. Yeah. Then they send how to care for the hair and all that, and they you get 20, whew. You can get $20 coupon if you're sharing your hair on social media. Okay, so I have a $20 coupon code for you guys. Oh, the wig show. Let me show you what wigs they have. They have straight, they have body wave, they have deep wave, they have loose wave, they have 613, which is my favorite. They have kinky curl, loose deep. Loose deep, I never heard of that. I'm lying, I do have loose deep. Kinky straight and Itali curl. Ooh, I never heard of Itali curl. That sounds foreign, baby. But kinky straight, I always wanted to try kinky straight. They teach you how to install your wig and all that good stuff. Now, I know y'all, you guys are probably fiending to see the hair, but hold on, wait. Not yet. I gotta tell you guys something else. I gotta go to my email first, because they told me to tell you guys something. I forgot. Never mind, I'm gonna just tell you guys at the end of the video. I'm so happy, y'all. You know I'm happy? I don't have to bleach. I don't have to color. I don't have to buy no 613. This hair comes already colored. And you know what's crazy, y'all? I was really supposed to get this hair 613. But they didn't have it in stock. And I think God knew what he was doing because he already knew I was going to get 613 for my birthday. Because I was going to buy 613 for my birthday and color it. This is what I did with this hair. But they sent me. Oh my, bro, do you see this wig? You guys ready for me to install this wig? I've never had gray hair. I'm lying, I did have gray hair. I had gray hair with my natural hair and I was an accident and it came out gray and it actually looked good though. But y'all ready? Are y'all ready to see this hair installed on me? Yo, listen. Ooh, the way I'm about to fleek the... Yo, listen. Yo. I'm jacking this. This hair is mad full, too. This is hair. I'm sorry, I'm just mad hype, y'all. This hair is mad full. And it feels mad good. Yo, this hair is heavy, dogs. Whew, adjustable cap and all. Okay. Let me see if it fits on this hair. It doesn't. I look like Billy Ray Cyrus. Hold on. Hold on. I wonder how this hair's gonna look at me. How you think it's gonna look? Maybe not right now. We gonna fix this out and come back, okay? Nah, I feel like this hair's gonna look mad good on me. Mslula, who? Mslula, me. I would be me. Me too. Nah, I'm Jack. Oh, I can see it right now. Oh, the picture's about to be crazy, like. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let me hide the yellow, hide the sunshine, and bring out the thunder. Ooh! Tell me that was wavy just now, bro. I was wavy, bro. Nigga said let me hide the sunshine and bring out the thunder. Cause you know when it's raining, it's gray outside. Nah, y'all. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let me pose. The sun always wanna shine, not today, baby. Okay, let me get a thumbnail for y'all. Right here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Thumbnail right here. Boom. Gotcha. Take a picture. Nah, y'all. That's it. I'm really jacking this Mslula hair. I'm honestly jacking. You know, I was kind of scared to buy a wig from a company already made. My hair in my mouth. I was scared to buy a wig from a company already made. But Mslula was the first company that reached out to me and actually give me a full lace wig. Not full lace wig, I'm dragging it. A closure wig already made, and I love it already, y'all. Just imagine when I install this, I'm gonna go crazy. So I already know I'm about to say. Go ahead and check out Mslula, y'all. They got me sold. I ain't gonna hold y'all. They got me sold. They got me sold from the packaging. Then they got me sold sending me flexi rods. And then when they sold me wig caps, like you can never go wrong with wig caps, y'all. That means I don't have to go to the store and buy none. I mean, having to go buy some, and some stores don't even have none over here. Like, I have to go looking for wig caps. Okay. But, now that we are at the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you guys. This is my first personal code, y'all. I think from any hair company. Yes, this is my first personal code. This is my first personal code. I was rapping, y'all. I was just in the studio, so it's still in me. But, my personal code will be right here on the screen, and that personal code for you guys is ARIE20. And with this code, you can get $20 off on any purchase more than $179. The exact hair link to this wig, if you guys want it, don't be like me. Please, don't get the hair. Nah. If you guys want the same exact link, the same exact hair, that would be linked down below. Their website would be linked down below. All the information will be linked down below. Link down below. Their social medias, everything you guys want is going to be linked down below in the description box. And also, you guys, it's August. You guys know after August it's September, so right now they're also doing a back to school sale up to 40% off on bundles. I know you girls about to want to go. I know you girls want to go back to school looking bomb with y'all bundles, so go ahead to see, even my sister, she said, yeah, I know me and Thong. Like, head over to Mslula, y'all. Mslula.com. Everything will be down below. Go ahead, join the back to school, get your 40% off. Even use my code to get $20 off over on $179 or more. And guys, just wait for it. I soon be back to style this wig, okay? Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. All of my blood for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling all the shows.